Incredible close-up images of Pluto's surface captured by the New Horizons space probe. The New Horizons space probe has transmitted to Earth the most detailed images of Pluto's surface ever taken. On July 14, 2015, the space probe approached Pluto's surface at its closest distance of 7,767 miles. The surface of Pluto was captured by the LORRI camera sensor on board the space probe 17 minutes before its closest approach. In some places, Pluto's surface looks very similar to the Moon. This is what the Moon might look like if it had snow on it. In the images, we can clearly see layered impact craters and icy plains. As reported by scientists from the NASA Space Agency, the diameter of most of these craters, covered with snow, is approximately 6 to 7 miles. The snow on the surface of Pluto is completely different in composition from the snow on Earth. Its basis is not frozen water particles, as on Earth, but frozen methane. It was found that methane is predominantly found in the lower layers of the atmosphere. When its concentration becomes more saturated, this occurs at the boundary between the upper and lower layers of the atmosphere, and as a result, its frozen particles fall to the surface in the form of snow. According to data received from the New Horizons probe, in general, Pluto's atmosphere is a rarefied gas layer that completely envelopes the planet. It contains nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Astronomers originally considered Pluto to be the 9th full-fledged planet, but its status was changed in 2006. It is now considered a dwarf planet and the largest object in the Kuiper Belt. Pluto is located 4,590 million miles from the Sun. It is a rather cold planet, consisting of rock and ice, with an average surface temperature of minus 382 degrees Fahrenheit. Pluto was first discovered on February 18, 1930, by American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos.